Capilot is the best way to use GPT-4 Turbo for free. Here, how to use one of the most powerful chat boots right now. No credit card needed. With all chat boots becoming mainstream, companies are locking their most powerful features behind subscription paywalls. However, some companies allow free users to do some more things than others. As such, if you had like to give GPT-4 Turbo a try, using Microsoft Capilot tool is the best way to do it. What is GPT-4 Turbo? If this is the first you have heard of GPT-4 Turbo, it's one of the more advanced all model at the time of writing. It's designed by Open, all the people who invented the wildly popular Chat GPT service. To put GPT-4 Turbo into perspective, when Chat GPT went viral, it was using the 3.5 model. After that, OpenAI released the GPT-4 model, which could handle queries better and sounded more human friendly. They made the model process faster and thus arrived at GPT-4 Turbo. Right now, the best way to use GPT-4 Turbo for free is via Microsoft Copilot. It may seem weird that you have to go through Microsoft instead of OpenAI, but the two companies have a really close relationship. As such, it's not unusual to see OpenAI features appear within Microsoft All Assistants. How to use GPT-4 Turbo for free with Microsoft Copilot. To get started with GPT-4 Turbo, just boot up Capilot and start talking with it. At the time of writing, Capilot will use GPT-4 Turbo by default when talking to a user on the free tier. Paid users can go back to previous models if they wish, but you don't need to worry about that if you just want to use the latest and greatest model. How to use GPT-4 Turbo for free on Windows 10 and 11. If you are Windows 10 or 11 user, there are a very good chance you have a Copilot button on your taskbar. To get started with GPT-4 Turbo, just click this button and begin chatting with the chatbot when it appears. If you want to bring Copilot up faster, you can do so by pressing Win plus C, or if you are lucky enough to own a laptop with a dedicated Capilot button, just press that to bring up the assistant at any time. How to use GPT-4 Turbo for free on other devices.